Allow yourself to deeply relax, giving yourself permission to let go, release, giving your mind permission to be in a state of ease. Open up your heart space, uncross your legs, your arms, unlock your hands, opening up the physical body to what it is you are to receive through this journey. Now take a deep breath in for a count of 5 as you count inward with me. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Gently breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and count inward for yourself. Hold. Slowly release, counting down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and count inward. And release, counting yourself down. And as you find your natural, normal pace of breathing, check in with the physical body and drop into a deeper state of relaxation, releasing tension in the shoulders, dropping that now. With every breath in and releasing, dropping tension, releasing stress from the body now. Check in with your heart center. Does it feel tight or stress? Giving yourself permission to release that now. Checking in with your head. What's in your mind? Is your forehead tense? Are you holding on to difficult thoughts? Allowing yourself to drop those now. Checking in with your thighs and your legs. So much you have had to do, and giving yourself permission for them to do nothing but relax and release and rest now. Checking in with your abdomen, your stomach, any tension in the gut. Releasing, opening that area up now, allowing flow from the top of your head down through the physical body and out through the toes, a deep sense of flow and relaxation and ease. For when the physical body is relaxed, now you are in a state of receiving, bringing your senses inward so that your attention is no longer focused on the external, but on inner spiritual wisdom, a spiritual abundance that fills up your entire body when you invite that spirit in for greater clarity, discernment, a helper for you, a divine comforter when you invite the spirit in. So take a moment to make that expression now in whatever way you choose. And now with your helper by your side, or reinforcing you from behind, place that spiritual helper wherever you need most. Use your beautiful imagination. Your helper can be within you, within your heart center, your most powerfully emitting organ, the most powerful organ in the human body. A space where you get to meet with divinity and achieve incredible, unearthly things, not limited, but reinforced by a divine awareness of vastness that gives you spiritual eyes to see these issues, these people, in a whole new way, from an elevated state of spiritual awareness and wisdom. And now, bring into your mind an event, a situation, a person, or people who you have been connected to in an unhealthy way, in a way that has caused you pain, distress, sadness, feelings of abandonment, depression, anxiety, feelings of unworthiness, of I don't matter. Perhaps they have not met your expectations, your hopes in them. Has a situation or event caused you financial burdens and pains? Is it a physical ailment? Whatever that is, bring that into your mind space now and remember, you have your divine helper right there with you. Visualize a cord or a set of cords attached to these events, situations, people, or persons. Notice how many cords are there, or is it one profound, thick, solid cord between you and that other thing, or between you and that other person? What does the cord look like? What color is the cord? Where is it attached to you on your physical body? Where is that pain showing up most, or that emotional distress? Is it attached to your gut, to your heart center, to your head and your thoughts, to your shoulders where you're carrying the burdens, to your legs where you try to run away or get away and you find yourself in the same patterns? Where is this cord or cords attached? Connect with the body now. What is the texture of the cord? What is its size? What is it taking from you? What has it cost you? What is it in the way of you achieving or being free from? What is it blocking? What mental inventory has it consumed? How much of your heart center has it taken up? How much has it depleted you? Is it worth it? Is the cost you had to pay worth it? Are you ready to cut the cords? Take this moment now with your helper and begin to detach from all of those emotional distresses, painful experiences, from those people, that person, that event or situation. Take this moment to cut the cord or cords now. Visualize seeing the cords disintegrate now. Completely unattached to any part of your physical body. And as you look across to what you have detached from, take this moment to elevate in your spiritual maturity with your helper there to reinforce you, to intercede, to give you the right words. Speak from your heart now, whether you are willing to offer forgiveness, to release into love and light, to bless, to pray for, to say, I'm sorry for my part in this. I no longer hold that expectation of you. Take that moment now to express from your heart center what you wish to impart on what it is that you have now let go of. Take notice of how your body feels now. Is there a sense of more ease? Is there a sense of peace? Now that the toxic energy is being released, is there an openness, an opportunity to invite in something new? A new energy of lightness, of possibilities, of hope, optimism, of encouragement, of a new season, a new beginning, as you lift up and elevate into an expanded consciousness, an expanded awareness, because you are no longer tied to what was holding you down. You are no longer burdened by those emotional distresses. You are now free to see profoundly, to see the whole picture, to open up your space wider and wider and wider beyond this little situation for what God has in store for you. And so you get to make that decision now to create a spiritual cord up above to what is above you, what is greater than you, a spiritual source, a spiritual supernatural strength. Would you like to attach instead to that supernatural source above you, so that that cord flows down through you, through your heart, through your center, grounding you in what is good, what is true, what is faithful. Allow that process to happen now in whatever way comes to you. As you look up and visualize that cord, what does that cord look like? Does it sparkle with light? Does it have a sound, a heavenly sound? Does it radiate with love? Does it radiate with worthiness of who you are? Allow that cord to take root in you. Where would you like to attach it? Allow that heavenly cord to fill you up with spiritual abundance, from your thoughts to your heart center, down to the rest of your body, overflowing with hope, overflowing with optimism, overflowing with peace, a spiritual abundance that is not of this earth, one that fills you and reinforces you and strengthens you and provides divine comfort as you live on this earth, knowing full well that you have that access. As you come down, plant your feet on the ground, firmly rooted now, firmly rooted in that fertile soil. Through this cleansing process, ridding of toxicity, and now firmly planted so that you can be properly nourished, receiving the proper nutrients from a supernatural source that you radiate from. What can possibly be gained when your source is that, and no longer the material or the external or others? When you are so fully abundant already and others come into your life they are now a blessing. It's not from a place of void that you need that, but from a healthy engagement, giving without expecting, freely being you. What can you be blessed with from that? How does that liberate you? How does that free you? Take a moment now to express your gratitude for the divine, for your helper who's still right there with you, knowing that you are firmly rooted and that you are no longer attached by these human cords, but by a spiritual, supernatural cord. Take that moment now. And like a mother to its child, connected by a cord of nourishment, you shall receive that spiritual nourishment, those nutrients, that reinforcement, that intercession, that divine protection, and that divine comfort whenever you need. Allow yourself now to connect with the physical body, a deep sense of ease and peace, a flow of spiritual abundance filling up your entire body. And as you begin to open your eyes, a smile across your face for what you have received. A new beginning,